Hello, everyone. This is our first ever video, and we thought it should be about the hottest topic in PPC right now, which is about Performance Max. We've been using it for the last 6 months, and so basically, what it does is it allows advertisers to use the entire spectrum of Google ad properties. That is, Google Search, Google Display, uh, Discovery, Gmail, whatnot, everything, and allows us to drive maximum efficiency for the campaigns that we run, but without inputting any targeting parameters whatsoever. We just tell Google what is the conversion that we're looking for, or what is the conversion value that we're looking for. So there's basically CPA and TCPA, that's target cost per acquisition, and target return on ad spend that you can bid for. So this is how it is structured. But is it for everyone? So we've got a few mixed opinions from our team itself. So we've got Akshay, who's handling the e-commerce side of things, and he's got wonderful things to say about Pmax. Rishi, he's got mixed opinions because he's got certain, he focuses on lead generation mostly. So he's got a few clients who he's able to give performance for, and a few clients, which not so much. So Akshay, what are your thoughts on Pmax?
Yeah, just like you said, Hafiz, I'm handling an e-commerce client, and very recently we started testing out Pmax campaigns for them, and it worked out really great. To my surprise, we were able to give about 20x ROAS.
Wow! What is the kind of what is it in just one category?
Yes, in just one category.
Wow. And, okay. And in how long? What's the time that you've spent to mature or make the campaign learn?
Very less, maybe a month or so. That's all.
A month or so. Within a month or so, within a month or so, you were able to drive 20x ROAS.
Yes.
I'm sure you must have set up some things, properly so that it gave you this sort of a result. I'm sure you didn't start with a 20x ROAS.
No.
You must have scaled it over time.
Yes, scaling it over time, but my input to it was less. At the starting, we had to just set up with some creatives and some descriptions and some headlines, and also we had to give in some audience input too. The past inputs, the past campaigns, how it performed.
See, that's what matters the most.
Yes, exactly. That's how the campaign moves. The machine knows how.
This is your input to the machine.
Yes,
that
exactly.
that this is the kind of audience that you want. All right. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So and that's worked out to 20x ROAS. That's mind blowing.
Exactly.
What's the client saying?
Well, he's very happy about it, and he's trying to get us scaled as much as possible.
All right. Yeah. It's never enough.
Yes.
Yeah. So what about you, Rishi? What's the case with you?
I think I have mixed opinion and even a mixed experience of it. For me, few of my client is working good. I'm not saying like a perfectly well. It's a good enough. But for the services related, like the services related to dating, it's not working like that. Like the working for action, right? Even the tractions are very less as of now, and the CPA cost is going to touching the roof. So I think I'm just going to switch over with the Pmax campaign for dating services as of now.
Yeah, my question is this because you think the kind of user intent signals available in general for the audience that you're targeting is very limited, as opposed to the kind of user intent signals that are available for an e-commerce client?
Maybe, but I'm not sure. I think the signals which we are feeding to the machines as of now, it's good enough. Very categorized one as of now. Even the targeting is very good enough, but still maybe it's due to the reason basis. Like most of the clients is not going to be paid customers for paying for the dating services. They are looking for the free services or maybe something else, whatever it can be.
Right. So you mean to say that most people who sign up on dating services, they don't generally, progress to become paid customers. So
Convert.
that is why, that is why the conversion signals are less, and thus the low performance for the Pmax campaigns. We're still, trying to give more inputs to the system, aren't we? What are we doing to improve the efficiency?
Yeah, so for that, I'm just working on to for on the top of the funnel conversions as of now. So to be more
So
relevant,
you've brought down
machine.
the
Yeah.
you've broken down the conversions.
Yeah.
And you're going for smaller conversions.
Yeah, conversion funnels, and then then we will go for a smaller conversions, right?
Okay, that might work for you, but see, that's a problem. So you need a lot of buy-in from the client for such initiatives. So the client has to agree that, okay, we're going to go for some lower funnel, higher funnel conversions at the moment, and then over time, when the campaign matures, we can maybe switch towards lower funnel conversions. So especially for for services that are not that popular, like dating, out here in the Indian market, I think the approach should be a very a staged approach, where we go for a higher funnel conversion action, or we target a higher funnel conversion first, and then we slowly progress towards lower funnel conversions. So and I guess what can also work is that. Yeah, go ahead, Rishi.
Yeah, so I was thinking maybe it will take more time, because there are a lot of changes coming into the Pmax campaign as of now, right? And even the insights are very limited, and the control is very less. Yeah, even the control are very less. We are not going to check each and everything.
That's what's
as of
happening
now
world
for the
over.
reporting part. So maybe it will take some time. So if we have more data about the Pmax campaign, like how user is interacting with the website from the which network and all, there are a lot of things. So maybe it will turn out to be a game changer into the upcoming months, or maybe the year.
Yeah. So, but the key thing is to not cancel it out entirely, but try focusing on as I said, having more control on the Pmax campaigns, which I would do by probably restricting the target CPA, the target cost per acquisition, or the target ROAS to a limit that will not bleed us out. Okay, so that the campaign will progress slowly, but it will progress, and it will learn as we progress, and over time it will mature into something that will actually deliver.
I will do that. To reduce the lower CPA, work on the lower CPA things, and control more on this thing.
All right. So this is what we had to share on Performance Max, and this is not the first. This is not going to be the last video. This is the first video. This is not going to be the last video on Performance Max. So as and when we discover more things about Performance Max, we will be sharing it here. These are first-hand accounts. These are not taken from anywhere else. These are accounts that we manage, and we hope to share more. If you guys watching this have any other viewpoints, please feel free to share in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.